How much did I spend? Oops. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hartfield Railway. Will here, as usual. Today I visited the, what's it called again? Great British Model Railway, something or the other. I've got a leaflet somewhere. Ah, here it is. It's got a really long name. I visited the Festival of British Railway Modelling. Yeah, them ones. Them guys. In Doncaster. Some amazing layouts. Saw some amazing layouts. Went way over budget, as usual. There was nobody to hold me back. I blame myself. So, I'm going to show you a video of what I bought. Show you some good deals that I got. And I also managed to get some footage of the layouts for you there. Some of the layouts. I couldn't get all the layouts or a lot of footage. It was rather busy. Apparently, it was busier on Saturday. Obviously, I went on the Sunday because I was at work yesterday. So, unfortunately, I couldn't get all the layouts for you. But I did try and get as much as I could. Bear in mind that I had to kind of make my way to the front of some of the layouts to see if I can actually get any decent footage. So, I'm going to put that on here for you. So, I'm going to show you what I've got and show you some of the layouts. Also managed to meet Jennifer Kirk, who runs the Monday Club on a Monday afternoon, Monday evening. A very big model railway person. She was there, so it was nice to have a lovely chat with her. Spent a good 10-15 minutes having a good chat with her and just, you know, talking about railway stuff. And she's really pleasant, so nice to meet her as well. So yeah, it was a really good day. I bumped into a few people that I knew. So I'm going to show you what I got and then give you some footage of the layouts there. And hope you enjoy it. Remember to hit like, subscribe and give a comment. And if you weren't there, then it's a shame. It was a lovely little event. Well, quite a big event actually. It's nice to see those sort of things coming back again. So here we go. I will show you what I got. So my biggest purchase was from Elaine's Trains. Really good deal on these guys. Big shout out to Elaine's Trains. I got all of these repainted professionally Teaks for LNER. So I've got 6 sleeping cars to make a sleeper train. Up 7, actually 8 sleeping cars because there's one up here as well. And then all of these Gresley Teaks. Now, these are the Hornby Railroad Teaks, which have been repainted to look really nice, to have a proper teak effect. And I quite like them. They did me a deal on these. I got all of these for £150, which, to be fair, is not bad at all, considering the quality that they have been repainted and renumbered to. Even the proper livery and the all got different numbers on them. You can see the lettering on them is amazing. So I really do like these. I thought these were a great bargain and I just couldn't, well, when I was there I couldn't make up my mind of which pack to buy. There were all these packs and she's like, I'll do all of them for 150, saving you quite a bit of money. And I was like, yes. So I walked away with these. So big shout out to Elaine's Trains. Thank you very much. These are going to look absolutely beautiful on the railway, on the layout. I'm going to get some videos of these running. They're all different running numbers and all pretty much the same livery. Beautiful, beautiful modelling. And I just can't wait to get and play with them. The next thing I bought was, I bought a subscription to the British Railway Modelling magazine. They had a special offer going on with these. You got one of these free static grass thingies. Static grass applicators or whatever they call them. Yeah, with some grass. And I also bought some static grass. So it was good that I got the free applicator and a subscription to these. I've been wanting to get these and they're quite expensive in shops. So getting a subscription is pretty decent. I've never used static grass before. So it's going to be quite fun playing with this little applicator and seeing how to do it and learning how to do it. Got a few ideas of what to do. I have been after one of these for a little while. But getting one free with a magazine subscription for £19.99 is not bad at all, considering this is worth nearly £35 or something like that. It's in about that range. And then the grasses were about £7. So, yeah, they were good value for money. Also managed to get some tools while I was there. Well, I say tools. I got another metal ruler for when I'm doing modelling. £1. Not bad for £1 at all, is that really? A proper nice metal ruler in a sleeve. Also for £1, I got 2 smaller metal rulers. It was buy one, get one free. So yeah, they were really good value. This brush apparently comes with that. I'm not quite sure why. I'm going to have to read the instructions, which are under there somewhere. And it comes with some static grass already to play with. So yeah, not a bad haul. I got all those wonderful Teaks, a subscription to a magazine that I've been wanting for a while, static grass applicator, and some grass. So yeah, not bad at all. It's been a really successful day. So now I'm going to go on and show you some of the layouts that I saw. Bear in mind that some of them I was a little bit shaky on the camera because I had people nudging me. It was rather busy. So enjoy the layouts. And hopefully next year, if you are down there, come and say hello.
And then that's done.
Come back again, Mary. Right, do it now. That's not the. You can tell that's gone across.
I turned them off because I didn't want to drive someone else.